Good evening, my YouTube viewers. In this particular video, we're going to do a hypothesis test. And this hypothesis test is going to be a paired t-test because we're going to be testing about whether a particular diet plan is successful or not. So you want to evaluate the effectiveness of a new diet plan. You collect the weights of 15 participants before and after following the diet for 3 months. Test whether the diet plan had a significant effect on the participants' weight at a 5% significance level. So you've got 15 participants. And you've got their weights before they start the diet, and then you've got their weights 3 months after they've started the diet. So the null hypothesis, that's H0, is no significant difference between before and after weights. And the alternate hypothesis, which can be either H1 or HA, is there is a significant difference between before and after weights. So your alpha, which is your significance level, is 0.05. And I've done that twice, so clear. So we can clear the contents. We don't need that because we've got our null hypothesis and our alternate hypothesis together. So you've got your p-value. Your p-value is t.test, and it's a range of B7 to B21, and a range of C7 to C21, and then comma 2, comma 1. And so the comma 2 lets you know that it's a two-tailed test, and then comma 1 is something else. But you can always check on Google, and if you just do equals t.test in Excel, then Excel will tell you what the different parameters in the code mean. So we're going to check to see if the values are significantly different or no significant difference. You can see here that the p-value of 5.745 to the -8 is telling you that there is a significant difference between before and after weights. So that's going to be an alternate hypothesis automatically. But in order to do an if statement to calculate it, so if E9 is less than if E10 is less than E9, then you're going to reject the null hypothesis. Otherwise, you're going to failure to reject the null hypothesis. In this instance, we have rejected the null hypothesis because there is a significant difference between the before and after weights. And what I've done is I've given you a bar chart so you can see the weights before the diet and the weights 3 months after the diet, and you can see that the participants in the test did actually lose weight. So that concludes this video, and the next video we're going to be talking about ice cream. So I hope you decide to watch it.